What's up, everybody? My name is Galen, and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. And if you have not already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'd also like to give a huge shout out to Meshforce for sending me their M3 mesh system. Basically, it's just like a Wi-Fi range extender. It just helps your overall internet connectivity in your building. A lot of people don't know this, but I've actually had some pretty bad experiences in my bedroom just because there's a very thick wall in between my bedroom and my living room where my Wi-Fi modem is located. So yeah, Meshforce definitely sent this at the right time. I've actually had to hardwire a lot of things. I've had to use an Ethernet cable to connect to my Xbox and my Android TV and even my work laptop when I want to work from my bedroom. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold you any longer. I'm just gonna show you my unboxing and first impressions. Let's get to it.
I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like nigga, I'm grown. Told myself to show myself to do.
Okay, so here's everything that came in the box. First, this is just the instruction guide. I'm just gonna show you guys quickly like how to set it up. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through all of that currently. This looks like a wall adapter, so it always has to be plugged in, of course. Then it actually came with the Ethernet cable, which is a good touch. And here is the actual router. It looks like there are two Ethernet spots in the back and then of course for the wall adapter. So yeah, I'm gonna look over this and set it up. So here is the box. As you can see, it's very easy to set up. Just the left is for the Ethernet cable, and then the right is the power cord. And the app really just walks you through everything very easily. Okay, so here is the app. As you can see, right now this is just the front screen. You can see that my mesh is connected, my mesh 0435. It was super easy to set up. All I had to do was just download the app from the Play Store. I believe it's just called My Mesh. And then there on the bottom of the device there is the password and the Wi-Fi name. So all you do is just plug that into the app and it's already connected. As you saw earlier, the Ethernet cable, that just plugs into your modem. I had a longer Ethernet cable that I was using with my Android TV, so I just transported that to my room. I have like a 50-foot Ethernet cable, so yeah. Also, they have a lot of features on here. Wireless settings, you can see that's just you can adjust your Wi-Fi name and your Wi-Fi password. You can set up a guest network. You can set up parental controls, internet settings, and then you can add mesh points. They also have like little dots that you can plug in the wall. So if you have a pretty big house, you can plug an access point in each room if you need it to. And here's just more of the settings: fast roaming, capacity oriented mode, in your updates and things of that nature, and you can set your DNS. I've been on this Wi-Fi that this mesh created for a few days now, and I can honestly say it is better than my normal AT&T Wi-Fi. Just because I can tell that the speeds are faster, because I did do speed test. I sat it right next to my AT&T modem, and then did a speed test from my bedroom, and it was around 30 megabits per second higher. But when I actually moved it into my bedroom with my longer Ethernet cable, it went up by around 150. So that's very significant in my opinion. I do believe this is like one of the cheaper alternatives to connection issues with your Wi-Fi. Um, as you can see, it's around $79, but you can actually get it used as well for 68.65. This is one of those things that I would definitely suggest buying used, just because you can't really damage it. So yeah, let me know what you think about this product in the comments.